In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your LinkedIn account. If you've recently closed your LinkedIn account and want to get back to networking, you're in the right place. Reactivating your account is a straightforward process, but it does come with a few important conditions. Let's dive into it. First things first, let's talk about the timeline. In most cases, you can successfully reopen your LinkedIn account if it's been closed for less than 14 days. Unfortunately, if it's been over 14 days since you closed your account, we're unable to recover it. It's always a good idea to act promptly if you've changed your mind about closing your account. If you're within that 14-day window, the process is fairly simple. Start by trying to log into your LinkedIn account from the desktop or your mobile device. During this attempt, LinkedIn will identify that your account is currently deactivated and will guide you through the reactivation process. Alternatively, you may have a specific link provided in the original account closure email from LinkedIn. This email is typically sent to you as a confirmation when you initially decided to close your account. Utilize this link by clicking on it, as it can directly lead you to the reactivation process. However, if the link doesn't work, don't worry. You'll be automatically redirected to the login page where you can proceed. Once on the login page, all you need to do is enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account, followed by your password. Click sign in and you will be guided through the steps to reactivate your account. If you went through the email route and click the link, you may be prompted to click reactivate on the screen. This step will initiate the reactivation process. LinkedIn will then send you an email to confirm that you wish to reopen your account. Make sure to check your inbox for this email because confirming from there is crucial. Reactivating your account will restore access to your connections. It's worth noting though that not all features and data will be recovered. Some of the things that won't be restored include your group memberships, following such as top voices and companies, any ignored or pending invitations, as well as endorsements and recommendations you've given or received. So it's good to be aware of these limitations as you decide to reactivate your account. That's all in terms of reactivating your LinkedIn account. Make sure to keep these steps in mind and soon you'll be back on LinkedIn, connecting and networking just like before. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.